Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add songs to your Telegram profile. As we all know, there's this new feature everybody is now showcasing where you can, whereby when you click on someone's profile like this, you begin to hear songs because the person added songs to he or her profile. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. So first thing you have to do is make sure your Telegram app is updated. So you have to go to Play Store and search for Telegram. Once you search for that, if you see update, then you can now update the app. Mine have been updated, so I can do that. So open it up, and all you need to do is you must have a song that you have sent from your file. Let me show you how to do that. Click on that and you can see files right here, and you click on internal storage and you can see audio right there. So right here you can now pick a song you want to use, and once it's sent, as you can see, it's doing already. Okay, let's keep waiting. Yeah, so it has sent already. You just click on it and it's going to start playing. Can you hear the sound? Yeah. So as it's playing now, you can now touch the song and you can see add to profile. So you can now add it to your profile. Once you click to it, audio added to your profile. So now the song has been added to your profile. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.